Siman Yod Zayin Sif Tes. If somebody has to be mafsik in the middle of saying Kriya Shema, which means the first two parshias. So if someone's in the middle of saying the first two parshias and he feels the urge, let's say that he needs to use the restroom, or he has to go out, or there's something that's very disgusting in the house all of a sudden that came in, and he cannot continue saying Kriya Shema. So he has to stop. So if the amount of time that he had to delay and wait until this einus is completed, if that amount of time was the same amount of time that you could have said the entire Kriya Shema in that amount of time, then you have to start again from Kriya Shema whenever that einus is over. Sif Yud. If somebody already said Kriya Shema, and he goes into shul, for whatever reason, he's going to shul maybe to learn, and he finds that the tzibur is in the middle of saying Kriya Shema, he has to say Kriya Shema with the tzibur, even though he already said Kriya Shema. And the reason is so that he does not appear to be like somebody who does not want to be mekabel oil malchus shamayim with the rest of the tzibur. And he will get schar as though he is just learning Torah and reading Torah. The same thing goes if somebody's in the shul and he's saying other parts of davening, or he's just saying Tehillim. If he's in a place where he is able to stop, where it's permitted to stop, then he should stop and say Kriya Shema with the tzibur. Now, if, let's say, the person did not say Kriya Shema yet, he is planning on davening, but davening a little bit at a later minyan, and he hears the earlier tzibur is saying Kriya Shema, then also he has to say Kriya Shema with the tzibur. However, he should have in mind that he does not want to be yoitza his mitzvah of Kriya Shema with this Kriya Shema that he's saying with the tzibur now, because it's preferable to be yoitza Kriya Shema with the brachos when you're actually davening. Now, also when it comes to other things that the tzibur is saying, whether it's ashrei or aleinu, or whatever the tzibur is saying, the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch says that you should say with them, even if you've already davened, but you happen to be in shul at the same time, you should say with the rest of the tzibur, so you will not be someone that is pirish or looks like you're being pirish in the tzibur by not joining the tzibur in what they are davening.